we'll be starting today's session. What are flashcards? We'll keep this as an interactive session, so you can even drop your messages right now in the chat box, and we'll be interacting throughout the session, because this is not just going to be a PowerPoint presentation. I'll be showing you how the Anki software works. Flashcards are basically instruments of active learning during the course of your preparation. So okay, so what actually happens when you use flashcards is you involve active learning. So when you are reading a book, like you are reading a topic from a textbook, it is actually a passive form of learning, because you're not using your brain or recalling any memory associated. You are just adding memory to your brain. So it is a passive process, and the efficacy of remembering stuff in by a passive method of learning is very low. You'll forget. I think you only remember 20% of what you hear and 10% of what you read at the end of the day. So when you do it in an active form, when flashcards come into the picture, the process is improved, the efficiency increases. So what happens is, when you in the flashcard there is a question, all right,